Sayo! Crazy what to.
Wait, those are yours?
Nah.
Oh, they're not yours?
See? Almost done. Little detailing like top of the grill missing. It's a lot of work. This one's all crazy. And something in the bumper takes time. Crazy, but it's good. Come out good. Come out how I like it, you know?
Where's the custom piece you made? On that side?
Yeah, come out good.
I can't even tell which one it is.
I think it's that one. I don't know.
You don't even know?
Of course I know it is. That one.
This one?
Yeah.
You did it? Or Marvin?
Marvin. Qualification A+.
Javier,
Yeah.
what are we doing?
We're doing upgrades, brakes on this Bronco.
See, he's right. We're upgrading the brake system on this car. You guys have seen this Bronco before. All the parts are here now. It is a mission trying to get parts from Willwood. It takes time, but let me tell you something. Their product is amazing. They probably have the best brake system for these Broncos, I think. Javier's putting it all together now. As you guys can see, all the parts here, they're all here. There's a lot of parts that we're gonna do. Emergency brake system for this car too. And of course, you guys have the signature 6-piston caliper from Willwood. Complete brake system on this car. All the wiring, everything's here. Sorry, not wiring. All the, what, Javier?
Right.
Yeah, the lines?
Lines. Something like this is like a good $12,000 to $15,000 upgrade regarding the whole brake system on this car. Everything is being changed. So it's just not like brake pads and calipers and stuff like that. It's actually a lot more than that. So it's a lot of work, and sometimes you do have to customize the older stuff from the older parts to the new parts as he's doing now, as you guys can see. So yeah, it's not all that easy, but Javier's good. We're good. We'll get it done probably in a few days. I don't get it. Are you guys both knuckleheads? How does an electrician not have a wire? It's like going in and out and them telling you that we don't have patties today. All right, we have a problem at the shop. The center section of the nice lights went out. So we hired a professional, and the professional seems to be Javier's brother. The professional, Javier's brother, came and we're trying to fix it. And we find out that there's a small wire that's bad, and us assuming that, you know, he should have it because, you know, that's what he does. He doesn't have a wire in the car, so we went across to Home Depot to try to find a wire. Let's talk to Javier. Javier does the same thing anyway, so. Javier left because it was so bad, so you had to leave the scene.
Santos, where's Javier at?
Oh, he's over there. Let's go to the Lamborghini. He's hiding. He's embarrassed. What's up, Javi? We have a question for you. Very important. I want your opinion, your professional opinion. Okay. So, your brother came to fix the problem. He found the problem, which is very good. It's professional. But what isn't professional is he didn't have a piece of wire to fix the problem. He's an electrician. Don't you think he should have equipment in the van? Anything? Be honest. Don't back him up because he's your brother. Tell the truth.
Yeah, it's true, yeah.
He should have something. Like, you're a mechanic, I'm sure you have a hammer in your car. You know?
Oh, a mechanic have a hammer.
Yeah.
Screwdriver.
A screwdriver, whatever. Hammer, screwdriver, you know, battery,
Battery.
something. But, right?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
He
That's
just
it.
wants something to yell at you for.
Yeah, I just wanted to get, you know, just wanted to rub it in. But look at this, guys. Look at what Javier's doing here. Javier is very, very impressive. He's good when he wants to be good. This car, as you guys know, this is the big project that we're doing. This is the clickbait job. This is a huge job that we're doing. Javier is literally gonna make this car into a skeleton. He's taking everything apart. There's gonna be nothing on this car. No quarter panels, no doors, bumpers, everything's coming off. As you guys can see, the front end is almost done. He's doing the sides now, and we're gonna get started on this big project. We have another wide body Urus here. So you guys are familiar with the 1016 industry kit. It's amazing on these cars. It looks nice. Nardo gray wrap, full Nardo gray wrap with jams. Beautiful 24-inch RDB wheels wrapped in Vredestein tires. As you guys can see, I love how the carbon accents look on this car, especially on Nardo gray. You can see the carbon, very, very nice. Hood, you know, lower lip, sides. Look at how nice this car looks. I mean, it looks like it's factory. It looks beautiful, came out great. Customer came in here, he had the same vision as what Vic's car looked like, so he's like, I really like it, you know, so I want to do the same thing. So we did practically the same thing on the car, just a little different. So there's more stuff to add on this car. He's gonna be back later as well to do more stuff, you know, maybe tune, exhaust, you know, stuff like that. Steering wheel, you know, we did the main thing on this car. The most difficult thing is done, and it's the most beautiful thing on this car that you can do is put a wide body kit on. Anybody with the Urus, honestly, you cannot go wrong with this wide body kit. Looks amazing, and hopefully he's gonna be super excited when he sees the car. Yeah, so that's about it for this one, and I can't wait until he sees it. All right, guys, so we had a little light situation. Everything's fixed. We haven't tried it because we've been so busy today. We're trying to push cars out of here. Electrician said everything's good, and these lights are very important for the shop because it makes it really bright in here. We love it. So let's test it out. I'm sure that's perfect because we're good to go now. What's up, Luigi? How are you?
Yeah.
Almost done with this Cullinan. Looking good, man.
You like it?
Yeah. What is this, your 105th one? Looks really good.
Why?
You need a haircut. You need to trim.
Yeah, like.
Why you
Hi! Oy, cerote! You see that one? That's abuse. Liberal. Abuse.
I love you. When you told this guy I love you, he gets really excited. He takes it to another level.
Hey, don't bother me, okay? Don't come over here and bother me.
Hey, don't bother me,
Don't
okay?
come over here and make lose my time.
I can see your eyes like a shark.
I can see your eyes like a shark. What does that mean?
Trust you.
What are you doing here? Almost done?
Nothing.
How come Sarkis is doing your job?
Come. Sarkis, here. Yeah, put the block on.
Good job.
Touch
Check
it.
it's off.
Touch it. Be a man, like touch it like this.
I'm scared.
Don't. Look, it's smooth. You see it? Yeah, it's FBI.
Is it good?
No.
Alright guys, special feature. We have 2 wide body Uruses. I mean, on this channel already, it's not that special anymore because you guys see wide body Uruses built here daily, weekly, whatever. On my right, you see a Nardo gray wrapped wide body Urus. So that car came to us, white color, stock. Came to us stock. Wanted the wide body kit in forged carbon fiber like my car, and wanted it wrapped in Nardo gray. So we wrapped the car, wrapped the kit, modified the kit to fit 100% like we always do, and we put it on. We also did the side skirts on it. As you can see, it's kind of modeled after my car with the color theme, and it has the RDB Signature Wheels floating spokes, not the cut spoke. The cut spoke is when we really exaggerate that lip. The customer didn't want that exaggerated lip, just wanted those spokes to come out floating. So those are the RDB Signature 24-inch 3-piece floating spokes right there. Very nice car, obviously in the Nardo gray. Looks amazing. And then obviously on my left, you see my Urus. We're featuring my Urus today because we actually put new wheels on it. Those are the RDB 22 wheels, but we call them the RDB 22 Aero. But RDB 22 Aero wheels, 24-inch. This is our new wheel that we actually put on that S-Class, that S580 with the white body kit on there. But that was a 1-piece wheel. Now, this is the 3-piece cut spokes. So they're super deep, big lip, big step lip, and they look amazing. As usual, I did black on the other side and the polished silver on this side. I might keep them. I might have them temporary. I already have suppliers from teasing them. People want to buy it. So I might take it off and sell it and put my others back on because the RDB Signature wheels are my favorite all-time design, and they're the most influential wheels in the whole wheel industry because there are many copies. All the top brands, they've copied the RDB Signature wheel, and it's their top sellers. So without a doubt, the biggest wheel influence out there. So white Urus, Nardo gray, let us know which one you like better. Obviously I have my favorite, but the Nardo gray is really nice too. We have another black one in progress right now, and we have a burnout gray, which is like Nardo gray, Cullinan wide body Novitec on the next episode. We're going to show you guys a lot to talk about that car because that car was an absolute disaster. Came from Miami, very well-known shop that does a lot of Cullinans, and they do it just the full sole reason of flipping them. So we'll talk about that on the next episode. But yeah, check it out. Let us know which Urus you like.
Exactly.
It's funny, somebody gets something, everyone surrounds him.
We don't have size 5 shoes. Sorry.
He stole his shoe. Hey, he stole his other shoe.
Look how big it is on it.
Exactly, Jones. Can I ride a motorcycle with them?
I think I have shoes for you.
Good.
I give you guys something later. All right. Since we're on the subject of merch and shoes and stuff, that's Good Friends company. Does new drops like all the time. Really cool stuff. I think the pink works on Luis, so too bad he keeps nothing clean.
Thank you.
Even his hands. I'm teasing this shirt because it's gonna be our limited edition shirt that's dropping right before Halloween. It's like the murdered out shirt. So it's the gloss black, matte black shirt, and in the back you got the SF90 that we just did. So that's dropping soon. And highly in demand. We've been asked this many times for hoodies. So we're gonna go hard in the hoodie game. And this is a sample right here. This is actually like a wax kind of feel hoodie. Super, super soft. It's not completely black, it's kind of like a very, very dark gray, and it's got the whole RDB on the back, the address and all that. It's so soft, it's incredible. So I've been testing this out. It's getting cold out finally, so I get to rock it. These are gonna be soon on the website, a lot more merch coming. But yeah, check out the website, rdbla.com.
Good, Papa. See you next week. No. See you next month.